So now we're about to inspect some badges. These badges happen to come from Ira Green. With the badges and doing the inspection, it's pretty much the same setup you do for DUIs and CSIBs. First, we're gonna take the badges and match them and make sure they're what the manufacturers say they are as far as what they submitted for approval. For example, these badges, I already broke them out the package, but these badges are the recruiting and retention National Guard badges. And this, so we're gonna open the spreadsheets again. The authorized, manufacturer authorized tracking database spreadsheet, and also the recertification database spreadsheet. So we need those two items. We also need to open up go to the folder here. Heraldic Quality Control Program. The heraldic items, approval, disapproval letters. So we need a letter as well to open up a letter, and it's a badge. So again, I always start with the approval letter. And again, this is Ira Green. So I generally pick the one that's on the top, the latest one. When we're doing badges, medals, and decorations, you also have to use what we call specifications. You get those online at DLA Assist Search. So we're not going to use the drawings that we would normally use for DUIs or CSIBs. We have to use a specification sheet. So go online. Google is called Assist. It's called Assist Search. It's quick search DLA.mil. So what I'm gonna do is pull the specification up for this particular badge, and basically what I do, a badge, the preset for the badge is 3628. So I normally put 36 or whatever. For metal decoration I put 3943, but I'm gonna put 3628 here in the document ID. That's because we're just looking for strictly badges. In the block for find terms, I will put recruit just to bring it up. So I will put recruit because this is a recruiting and retention badge. So I will just put recruit and search. It'll bring up all badges that have the word recruit or recruiting or recruiter in it. And so at the bottom here is recruiting and retention Army National Guard, which is what this badge is. So you click on that, and you want to go with the latest revision, which is, this happened to be revision A. So you click on that PDF. And so this is the detailed specification sheet for this particular badge. It's a detailed spec sheet that tells the manufacturer how this badge should be made. It talks to the material that needs to be used, the particular finish that needs to be applied. It talks to the measurements, the dimensions, the attaching devices, the colors if there's epoxy that's going to be used in badges. Not all badges have epoxy or enamel colors applied to them. Some do. This one happens to have it. And then you have what we call notes. I call them footnotes that go into a little more detail for specific badges. So we have the cover letter, the letter that we're normally going to send to the manufacturer, whether it's approved or disapproved, and then we have a specification sheet that we use. So these are the two items that we definitely need to use for badges, medals and decorations, ranks, grades, and so forth. Attachment devices as well. So what I'm going to do now is just change the date. Like yesterday, just change the date. I put the item name in already. When I do that, I put the item name in as well as the specification number. The 5-year, they're authorized to make this for 5 years, so 2021 will be their last year to make it. So we go here to the worksheet. Again, the badge name is already there. I put that there already. This is not a senior badge. This is a basic. So you have to change that. It's basic.